So, how do you choose the best workers' compensation insurance company for your business? It's a good question. Let's talk about it. So, how do you choose? Just as you are a business owner and you've got many different client types, you may provide different services for different clients based on their individual needs. It is no different in the workers' compensation insurance world. It's a mandatory coverage when you have employees, so businesses tend to think, hey, it's just, I got to have it. It's cut and dry. Just give me the cheapest, and hopefully that'll work out. There's a lot more to it based on your individual business needs and the type of business you run. So, as an example, certain insurance companies specialize in certain types of businesses. Some specialize in restaurants. Some will specialize in contractors. Some are awesome at lawyers or accountants. Some have amazing technology and healthcare verticals for workers' comp. So, an independent agency like Tague or others have access generally to a number of insurance companies that specialize in workers' compensation. So, working with your independent advisor, they can help you determine, okay, I have a restaurant. I certainly don't want to have my workers' comp with an insurance company that doesn't do restaurants well. Either they don't have good pricing, they don't do claims well, maybe they don't have discounts or different things. If you bundle up your restaurant with the same company for general liability and property coverage, there's a whole host of things. So it's very important that you're lining up the type of business that you do with the insurance company that really likes to write the business type that you have. In addition to that, it's really trying to make sure that you have an insurance company that's going to be hopefully as stable and steady as possible, and is a well capitalized, strong financial company that can pay its claims. Because heaven forbid, if you have a situation that happens, you want to make sure that your employees are taken care of and that workers' comp claim is handled properly. Super important. So making sure that you've got your business lined up with the type of insurance company that works well with your type of business, making sure that you're with a solid, reputable, financially strong insurance company that's going to be around and be stable. These are a couple of critical things in choosing the insurance company that's going to be right for you. And that's really where you need to work with an independent insurance agent. Obviously, here at Tague, we'd love the opportunity to chat with you about that. We don't have any hype, no pressure. We just try to provide honest help and honest reviews. So if you want to reach out to us, down below somewhere around this video, you'll see a link to start my insurance review now. That'll get you connected with one of our professionals, and we would look forward to trying to help you out and see if we can craft a solution that works for your specific business with an insurance company that is suited well for you. Have a great one. Bye.